Oh, there it is. Yep. How is it? Oh. Nice. Go on, Dad. Right, I'm coming too. Cheers. Oh, fuck! Woo! Oh, that hurts. So you get sitting right here, so you're good and protected. Ooh!
But I would 100% like.
Honestly, it's fine.
You need that. Yeah.
Nice work.
Definitely blue here.
Yeah. Good work. Yeah, a red cliff here would be good to get. That's so cool.
I had a bit of rake drag, but not awful.
Yeah, that's a sick pitch.
That's part of the reason for that thing, but good thing we set off early out.
I know, I saw. That's really good, isn't it? Really? Okay. There is a bird there. Do you think it'll be okay? All right, thank you. I'm glad he shouted up. Yeah, that's where I was going about to putting in that piece about to head up high.
What?
Also, we're not on the bird ledge. The birds are behind me. And your crack looks fine. Sounds a bit weird. The crack above here looks alright.
Yeah,
It's
he potentially saved us for that.
yeah, I think probably what I would have done if I got up there and there's no gate down, I just kept going. Because like if it looked easy enough, you know what I mean? I'm not going to try and set up an anchor at nothing. There's the swim down there. Nice work. Yeah, the nut got so stuck. I was just like, you know when you just yank it the wrong way? What's it doing behind me? Oh, they're fighting. Ooh. Someone's taking a photo down. Woo! Whoa, that gave me the biggest yank. Will stop yanking me. You're gonna send me off the cliff.
Alright, you just waited it.
Not bad.
Well, it looks kind of good.
That is far.
Just looking at the edge of the track where you need to go as well.
I think once you're down there, you'll just be able to swing and shit. Push the rest down. I'm actually close to the water, you know. Oh my god, you are speed! That's rapid.